Are you looking to enhance your Sony ZVE1 camera setup? Well, I've got something fantastic to share with you. Introducing the SmallRig cage, the perfect companion for your Sony ZVE1 that will take your videography to the next level. The Sony ZVE1 is already an impressive camera, but the SmallRig cage elevates its capabilities even further. Packed with a plethora of features, this cage not only provides superior protection, but also enhances the overall functionality of your camera. Let's delve deeper into why the SmallRig cage is a must-have accessory. First and foremost, the SmallRig cage offers unparalleled versatility. With its numerous mounting points and cold shoe mounts of various sizes, you can effortlessly attach additional accessories such as external microphones, LED lights, monitors, and more. This means you can customize your setup to suit your specific filming needs, giving you the creative freedom to capture stunning footage. Durability is another key aspect that sets the SmallRig cage apart. Crafted with high-quality materials and precision engineering, this cage ensures the utmost protection for your ZVE1. You can rest easy knowing your camera is shielded from accidental bumps, scratches, and even minor drops. The rugged construction of the SmallRig cage gives you peace of mind, especially when shooting in demanding environments. But what truly sets this cage apart is the added comfort it brings to your filming experience. The silicone grip included with the SmallRig cage provides a substantial improvement over the ZVE1 stock grip. It fits perfectly in your hands, offering a more secure and ergonomic hold. Say goodbye to hand fatigue during those long shooting sessions. With a SmallRig cage, you can maintain complete control and focus on capturing that perfect shot. To install the cage, simply remove the two screws on the side where it will attach to the lanyard part of the camera. The tool to remove the screws is cleverly built into the bottom of the cage, so just pop it out. Once the screws are out, place the camera into the cage and screw the bottom screw onto the camera. Then reinsert the two wings into the lanyard sides, and voila, your cage is now ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you're considering getting a SmallRig cage, please consider using my Amazon affiliate link provided below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.